Yo, what is up, my Apple Watch Pro family? Today is an exciting one because today I am showing you a $1 Apple Watch versus a $15 Apple Watch versus a normal Apple Watch, which is $400, $500 depending on what series it is. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start with the $1 Apple Watch. Now, how the heck did I find this $1 Apple Watch? Of course, it's not a real Apple Watch. I don't know if this even does something. It says it has light and music. It says with light and music. I found this on the creepiest, randomest Chinese shop here in Spain, and I thought it was funny because if you guys check this out, there's actually photos of an actual Apple Watch. We've got the Apple Watch edition with the modern buckle, the Apple Watch Link bracelet. I don't know what the heck this watch is. The Apple Watch Sport with the Mooney's loop, and then we've got a photo of the Apple Watch here. So it's just really random. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. By the way, if we actually go to the back, you guys can see the price of this thing. It was €1.60, which is about $1. Batteries are included, which is great. Let's see what this is. I'm just really curious what it is. Wow. This feels so cheap. What even is this sport band material? It's just I think it's plastic. All right, so the digital crown, when I press it, you can't really press it. So I don't know why it says with light and music, because there's nothing really you can tap. It's not working at all. Wait, hold on. There's something right there. I think I have to pull this paper right here. But I don't know how to pull it. I guess I have to take the... What the heck is this thing? All right, I think I got it. Now I just pulled this out. Now what happens? Yep, so, yeah. Anyways, I just thought it was really funny how, there was Apple Watch photos in the packaging, how there was an actual digital crown, how the sport band, if we actually go ahead and check out a real Apple Watch, the sport band is pretty similar, the way it looks, of course, the material. I guess this is plastic. I don't know, this is so bad. I guess this is for kids. I don't really know. Why would a kid want this? Maybe a kid would want it. I don't know. Maybe buy this for your kids. They will love it. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the $15 Apple Watch. Now, Nikki how did you find this $15 Apple Watch? Well, this is actually my stepsister. She went to an amusement park and she actually got this. So I'm like, hey, can you borrow this? Can I borrow this so I can make a video? And she said yes. So let's take a look, because this is actually a pretty decent watch if it actually works. So yeah, it works. So as you guys can see, when we turn it on, there's a watch face, and if we actually tap on it, we actually have different watch faces, which is pretty cool. Yeah, you don't really get Mickey Mouse watch faces or the modular watch face, but it's still pretty cool. Boom, 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 boom. So if we actually press the digital crown, as you guys can see, it just turns it off. And you just by pressing the watch, it actually turns it on. So the digital crown is not really a home button. There's also a side button, and if we actually peel the side button, it's not really an actual button. It's just to charge your watch. It's charged by micro USB, which is still pretty cool. So then we're presented with the lock screen, and then, by the way, it's in Spanish. I can't figure out to change the language. I guess it's just built for Spain or something. So anyways, if we actually tap on the menu, this is what shows. Let me go ahead and lower the brightness like this, you guys can see better. So yeah, right here we have the clock app, the settings app, the calendar app. If we actually swipe, this is where it gets interesting. This app right here is actually sleep tracking. So we simply press start, and this will actually sleep track. Now, to be honest, I don't know how accurate this is, but it's pretty cool that it's here. Wait, is this thing a camera? Wait, I can't believe this thing has a camera. Wait, whoa, hold on a second. Now this is cool. Hold on. This could be a camera. What? It is it's actually a camera. Okay, but what? Okay, this watch is pretty fun. You guys should definitely get it just to play around with it, because it's just $14. This is This is weird, and you can, by the way, with this watch, you can also put a SIM card. I try to put my SIM card, but it just won't work, so, I mean, don't really trust the watch either. But yeah, this actually gives me an idea on how awful it would be to put a camera on our Apple Watch. Simply, for example, put your iPhone on front-facing mode and put your phone right here. Look at that angle. Look at this angle. It's pretty bad. But it's just really fun that there's a camera on a smartwatch. Jeez, this was fun. Also, this watch has WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook, and Apple Music, but I don't think it works. Let's go ahead and tap on. It says that I have to put a SIM card, but I already put a SIM card, so I don't know why it's not working. Let's go ahead and check out Twitter if it actually works. Nope. How about Facebook? Nope. How about Google Chrome? Wow, nothing works. Very nice. Music? Nope. It says I have to put an SD card, and I also put an SD card, but it won't work. So I don't really know about this watch. The coolest thing was definitely the camera. Oh, and then hold on a second. This is pretty cool. There's an actual workout app for this watch. So whenever you're out for a run, let's say, you simply press start. And there you go. It's starting to count. And then I guess it only counts your steps. So it doesn't count your calories or your move goals or anything. So yeah. Oh, there's also... Oh, this is pretty cool. Whenever you're sitting down, as the Apple Watch does, it will let you know to stand up. So this watch actually has some pretty cool features. I mean, it's only 15 bucks. What can you expect? There's a WhatsApp app. As I said, the Twitter app, Facebook apps won't work. It says you have to put a SIM card. As I said, I already put the SIM card. So if you actually get the SIM card to work, you're actually gonna have a phone. I don't really know what to think about this watch. It's I don't know. As I said, this is a $1 versus $15 versus $300 or $400 Apple Watch. Now, of course, what you're getting for the Apple Watch is amazing. The Apple Watch is one of the best devices out there right now. It's one of the best devices Apple has ever released, and I don't think people give enough credit to the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is amazing for activity tracking, for notifications, for health features, for simply going through quick apps, for glances. There's so many good things that the Apple Watch is good at. And I'm just really thankful for that. And thank you, Apple, for making such an amazing device. So anyways, concluding the video, which one is more worth it? A $15 Apple Watch, a $1 Apple Watch? Which this $1 Apple Watch isn't even considered a watch because it just does. Alright, enough. Shut up. So yeah, you guys know the answer of this question. Of course, the real Apple Watch is the one that is more worth it to get. Yes, I know it's pricey, but I mean, this one for $15, if you guys want to try out what a smartwatch is, definitely get this. I mean, it's 15 bucks. You don't really lose that much money. So anyways, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. What do you guys think of this? By the way, if you guys want to get this shirt, it is, of course, available at applewatchworld.com. There's a bunch of cool designs. Definitely go check them out. Go buy a shirt. Go support the channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.